Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to open Find option in Google Chrome with keyboard shortcut. So just you need to press Ctrl plus F. So now as we can see now this Find option is open. Press Ctrl plus F, F for Find. So together now you can search anything. So it will find in your documents, yeah, what things is appear here. So you have the any article, any website, so you can find easily using this shortcut. And also guys, if you don't need shortcut, so three dot and here you will see option find, and here is the shortcut for find Control F. So hopefully guys you like this video. By the simple steps you can know how to use shortcut for find option in Chrome. Thanks for watching.